Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Nextdoor app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your username on the Nextdoor app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor, then click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Next, click on settings. Then click on account settings. Then from here, you want to go ahead and change your name. So you can actually change your first name and your last name. And then once you're done, just click on save, enter your new password, and then follows on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your username on Nextdoor app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.